Welcome back to the Agenda Gap Facilitators Field Guide.
Great to be diving into Workshop 10.
Yeah, this one is crafting your campaign.
Mhm.
So today we're really focusing on equipping the youth with a whole range of change tactics.
And helping them shape those really compelling messages, those pitches for their policy priority.
Exactly. It's about a 2-hour session, pretty packed.
Absolutely. And it's such a critical point, right? Moving from identifying the issue to actually, planning action. It's about making their passion tangible.
So true. Consistent messaging is just foundational, isn't it? If the core idea keeps shifting, it loses impact.
Totally. A great idea needs that clear, consistent voice.
Okay, so getting started. This workshop jumps right in, which I like, that welcome activity about personal superpowers.
Oh, yeah, like empathy, endurance, public speaking. It's a fantastic way to highlight strengths right off the bat.
Have you seen any surprising ones pop up?
I actually saw deep listening once.
Yeah.
And it really changed how that group approached talking to stakeholders. It was quite powerful.
Wow, that's a great example. Then you connect and open. Review the summary from the last AW survey.
That quick pulse check. And sharing anonymous compliments always helps build that positive vibe.
And for the look back, a volunteer recaps the last session. The story's fine. The mission statement.
Right, get that mission statement up on the whiteboard. It's a good moment to just check in. Does this still feel right for the group's work?
That alignment check is vital. Then we pivot in, look forward.
Yeah. To today's challenge, building the campaign. How does it all fit together, especially the messaging?
And you also kind of gauge where they're at,
Mm.
asking how their policy connects to mental health promotion.
Exactly. Just see what initial thoughts are there.
Then activity 1. Messaging Game 101.
Mm-hmm.
About 20 minutes. Sounds fun.
It really is. You start by just talking about change campaigns. What are they? Which ones stick out? Then introduce the change tactic menu.
That covers quite a bit, right? Media, events, letter writing, protests.
Yep, petitions, position papers, boycotts, running for office, contacting decision makers, the whole gamut.
Okay, and the game part. The object of inspiration.
Ah, yes. The secret sauce. Small teams pick a hidden object like a paperclip, maybe a rubber duck, something totally random.
A campaign for a rubber duck.
Exactly. It sounds silly, but taking away the weight of a real issue lets them focus purely on the mechanics. Name, audience, message, tagline, plan, platform like X or TikTok.
Plus a tactic from the menu. I see how that works. It forces pure creativity on the process.
Precisely. You'll need 4-6 of those objects ready, hidden. They're the spark plugs for this.
Got it. That sounds like it sets them up really well for the next activity. Pitch perfect.
It does. This is a 20-minute skill builder on crafting a short, effective pitch for their actual policy priority.
So you talk about elevator pitches, show some examples, need those videos ready, the roadmap, and pitch examples.
Yep, have those queued up. They'll look at sample pitches first, revise them a bit, then build their own, pulling from their mission statement.
Making sure it includes their story elements and a clear ask.
Yeah.
Super practical.
Absolutely essential for talking to allies, decision makers, if a group gets stuck.
Guide them back to the mission statement.
Exactly. It's their anchor. And facilitators, really help them nail down all the parts, especially that call to action.
Good tip. And the wrap-up, connect and close, uses that self-portrait activity.
Yeah, the hand tracing. It's low stress, but really reflective. Filling it with drawings, words about hobbies, strengths, values.
The prompts help guide them. And sharing your own drawing first. That modeling really helps.
It makes a huge difference in encouraging sharing. And don't forget the AWE survey. Circulate it before they go. Maybe email a link later, too.
Right, capture that feedback. So overall, this workshop is a big step.
It really is. It's about translating that passion into action, giving them concrete tools, building practical skills.
And building confidence, too, right? It's not just about the campaign itself.
Absolutely. Mastering these tactics, figuring out how to pitch ideas.
Yeah.
It builds adaptability, resilience, essential stuff for young people trying to make change.
Definitely.
Hmm.
Consider this as you facilitate. You're not just teaching communication. You're nurturing that inner confidence they need for the long haul of change-making.
Well said. It's powerful work.